Sachi. Okay, guys, good job. Good job. And Sachi too, Sachi. Oh, treat. Crying hot choco lang sa morning kasi bawal akong coffee. Guys, don't get fooled kasi today, second time ko pa lang ulit na mag-workout. So basically, parang new na naman siya sa routine ko. And I don't know if I'm gonna continue this after. Pero I'm proud kasi we're working out today. Let's go. By the way, this is the routine that I'm following. Ito yung kay Rebecca Louise, yung sa Exit, yung flat stomach. So, ang tamad lang to, guys.
We're gonna bring our legs up to the ceiling, arms out, legs are gonna drop down and bring it into mountain climbing. Nice and strong.
Ay, grabe. Guys, we did. And I'm hungry. Wala pa today, ayan, Gigi, tapos skinless longganisa, and vinegar on the side. Kasi may ligaw sa vinegar, so let's eat. Done with session 1 and then session 2 and now to the last session. Ayan, ito pa yung mga aaralan ko for today. So, let's go.